Hey, this is Matt, Mad Boosting. Today I'm going to show you my newest project truck. It's a 1977 Chevy K20 Scottsdale. It's a 4x4, 3/4 ton, has 8 lugs on the wheels, has a 350 cubic inch V8 with a turbo hydromatic 350, transfer case, 4-wheel drive. This will be a fun little project. This is the introduction, and I'm going to make more videos to follow. I'm going to do a lift kit, bigger tires, big cam, rebuild the engine, extra lift springs, and it'll be interesting. Roller lifters. It's basically a roller cam. But yep, I'm going to do a paint job on it. And I'm going to rebuild the engine, put it back in, and the cam I picked has a 2500 to 6200 RPM, basically a power band from 2500 to 6200 RPM, and I picked a Edelbrock Torquer, which also has the exact same power band. It's important when you choose a cam and an intake manifold that they pull at the same RPMs. Like the cam pulls from 25 to 6200, and the Edelbrock Torquer 4-barrel manifold pulls from 2500 RPM to 6200. So the power bands match on the cam or the RPMs, or else they'd be fighting each other, and that's not good. You want all the power you can get out of these engines, and lots of low-end torque. I'm also installing a 28 to 3200 stall torque converter on it, so it'll match with the cam's profile. It's a competition cam, and I've got the stronger springs for higher lift, and it can handle higher RPMs. So I'm going to be doing a lot of interesting things on this truck. Eventually, once I'm done with all the looks and the engine, I'm going to eventually twin turbocharge it. So when I rebuild the engine, I'm going to use a 30 thousandths ring gap so it can handle boost without the rings getting all eaten up from temperature, pressure, compression, and boost. I'm going to use colder spark plugs, lots of little things I'm going to do to basically make this innocent 4x4 Chevy truck much more than it is. I'm going to keep the classic look to it. I'll just paint in the lines and everything, kind of like a metallic light blue and silver for the other tone of the color, so two-tone. Basically, I'm going to go like a kind of a metallic light blue with silver, and those two accents. I'll probably put some racing stripes on it. I've already picked out a cowl induction hood, which I'll show in the next video. I'll show you all the parts I've picked so far for this truck, and hope you enjoyed this. This is the new truck, the new 1977 Chevy K20 3/4 ton Scottsdale 4x4. This will be the new fun truck. It's going to be fun, and it's going to go good off the road, it's going to go good on the road, and it's going to be fast too. So I'm going to get a little bit of everything out of this truck. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and mad boosting.